Once upon a time, in a tall, twisty tower at the edge of a magical forest, lived a little wizard named Whistle. He was no taller than a teacup stacked on a hat, but his heart was full of wonder. Each morning, Whistle used his wand to wake up the flowers, warm his porridge, and make the sunbeam giggle through the window. But one day, the wand was gone. It wasn't under his pillow. It wasn't in his sock drawer. And it certainly wasn't hiding in his breakfast bowl, though he checked twice, just in case. Without his wand, Whistle couldn't do any magic. No floating spoons, no singing teacups, not even a puff of purple smoke. Just quiet. So, he packed a tiny bag, lit his talking candle friend, and set off into the Glitterwood forest, where the trees hummed lullabies and the flowers whispered secrets. The forest was full of strange surprises. A tree that blew bubbles instead of leaves, mushrooms that wiggled and giggled, and sparkles on the ground. Tiny trails of magic leading him deeper into the woods. Though the little wizard was nervous, he kept going, one careful step at a time. He helped a butterfly untangle its wings. He comforted a squirrel with a broken acorn. And slowly, the forest began to glow, as if it was watching and smiling. And just when the sun dipped low and the stars peeked out, something small and shining fluttered down from the sky. It was his wand. It hadn't been lost. It had simply been waiting for Whistle to remember that true magic isn't just in spells or sparkles, but in kindness, courage, and helping others, even when no one's watching. Whistle smiled, hugged his wand, and headed home, where the stars sang softly and the moon kept watch.